2022 yz250 stroke. I'm gonna be doing a top end on my bike. It's currently got 69.5 hours on it. Definitely ridden hard and put away wet quite a few times. This bike's been very good though, tons of fun. Very good platform that Yamaha has here. Very versatile, good time, can't complain, that's for sure. So I'm just going to show kind of like the condition, what it looks like currently at these hours. Show you guys what I do during that process and everything. Yeah, and we'll see how it goes. Let the parts fly and the money rain, huh? So here it is. Everything's off. I like to take the radiators off. Makes it a lot easier to put the cylinder back on when you're putting the cylinder back on after you put the piston on the rod. Excuse me. But pull the carb off here. Just pop it off real quick. Wiggle it out. Then take the spark plug off, undo the head bolts, take the head off, and then gotta undo the power valve cover here and the linkage system, and then we'll be good to take the. Got the head off, got the linkage undone. Have to be very careful with this bolt here to not mess up the mechanism when you go and put this back together. You can break the arm here and screw up the linkage inside. Definitely got some carbon on the piston, not too bad though. Let's see, the head is very clean, minus from the spark plug. They're running pretty nice. Now we're gonna have to see how the cylinder walls look like. 14 mil snap-on. I mean, you gotta have the right tools for the right job, right? So, we're gonna go crisscross pattern. Break it loose. Looks pretty good. Piston looks really good actually. Pretty good there, guys. Looks like I can just slap a new one. Bam. No loose on the rod, I guess. Already. Not too bad. Figured I changed it. It's got a lot of hours on it. Rings are definitely worn. Piston's in good shape. So that's it. They usually break here when you got too many hours on them. And the tolerance is too loose. Right there, the crack or break come apart. Looks really good though. Yamalube 2R 32-1, and rated in all elements from 98 miles an hour to 2 miles an hour. It's a good pick. Can pop these circlips out pretty good. Careful, put some rags here. They'll go flying. Don't want that. They're pretty tricky to get out. There it goes. So, wrist pin is stuck. It's pretty usual. Got to get something on there to tap it with. Usually I take an extension, hold it to the side, a couple light taps. There it is. Top end's off. Or piston, I should say. My extension. Don't worry about that. Or my 8mm socket. Wrist pin bearing. I always replace mine after every top end. Every time I take it apart. Yeah, solid. Can't complain. They usually wear right there by the exhaust port. Doesn't look too bad. Looks real good. Gonna measure this cylinder to get the right piston for it. It's very important for it to last and for it to be the correct size. You definitely don't want the piston to be too loose. It can break, it won't last, all that. Looks really good though. Pretty stoked about that. So there it is. Topping off on the 22 yz250. It's pretty much all the same since 01. Yeah, not much to it really. The important things are make sure everything is clean when you take it apart. Make sure that you have everything in order and all your tolerances are correct for when you put it back together. And the nickel seal on your cylinder is in good condition. That'll let you know if you're having dirt go through your air filter or maintaining your air filter and all that. You really want to make sure that it's all clean all the time. 69.5 hours on that piston and looks really good. It's definitely had some use, but it's been ridden pretty hard for those hours and I'm quite impressed, to be honest. Straight from the factory, has not been taken apart before, so yeah, there it is. I will take apart the whole power valve system, clean it, new gaskets, new piston, new rings, new wrist pin bearing, circlips, the whole 9 yards to make sure that this thing runs just as good as it did. Yeah, and that'll be it.